So I wanted to show you a quick tip on how to know if you have enough joint compound in a factory joint or seam. If you have some light coming through, you can see that there still needs to be mud put in right here. Right, it's concave just in the middle. You can do this with a light, or if there's enough natural lighting, to check your tape joint, see if you got enough mud in it. If you look closely, you can see daylight. It's a little concave still. You can probably feel it too, just barely, but the knife really shows it. 12-inch taping knife. So I'm gonna fill it. Just checked it, so it looks like it needs a little more on the edge there. Throw a little more there. And just pull it tight. Not too much pressure applied. Let's see what we got. Perfect. Perfect. Nice flat factory edge tape joint.
Subscribe for more drywall tips. Thanks for watching.